Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Forex Flossin, where you can find quick, simple explanations of Forex concepts. So it's Friday. Already on my FX book. We got some good juicy news coming out in 4 minutes. That unemployment rate moves the market. The US news. Oh, that's unemployment rate is Canadian news. My bad. Oh, I'll take that back. Canadian, they got a little bit of weight now. Don't get me wrong. I thought that was U.S. for some reason. Anyway, we do have some U.S. folders going down. So I just think the combination, this might do a little something in the market. It may not. Let's see what Forex Factory got to say. Ooh, Forex Factory might not have nothing to say. Okay. Yeah, it's just confirming this Canadian red folder news. At 8:30, yeah, it's almost 8:30. I'm interested to see uh how it'll move the market. Today, I'm actually looking at GU today. Oh, you know what? We haven't been paying attention to our correlation. Stuck in your analysis on what direction you believe a trade is going to go. You can look at its correlating pairs to kind of gauge how you should approach the market. So I like this site, my FX book market correlation. I put negative 80 here, 80, and I always trade on the 4 hour. 4 hours it's just a strong indication of like what the market's doing. In my book, I said we were looking at GU today, so I want to look at I can look at EURGBP. They have a negative correlation, so when G's going up, EURGBP is going the opposite way. I can look at that to gauge. So yeah, that's good enough. I feel like I milked GJ this week. I kind of feel like GJ is just gonna do some resetting today and probably Monday and Tuesday we should be back in the market. So let's just look at GU since it's brand new. You know, we do our analysis, our review and analysis of the market just to review. GU is similar to GJ. They move together for the most of the time. They move together. GU has also experienced this cascading downtrend on the weekly and has been respecting this trend line. Yeah, I know I gotta make my trend lines perfect now. They gots to be perfect. Oh, they're trying to shame me. These trend lines is trying to shame me. Well, and you never put a trend line on the active candle that you're looking at because you especially if you want your trend line on previous candles, not the active candle. Period. So that's the weekly. Oh, wait a minute. That's the news. What the news got to say? What the what? What they saying? That's what that bloop means. The unemployment rate. What did it go up or down? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it got worse. That's Canadian. Worse than expected. Okay, let's see how that affects the market. Going back. So the daily. That looks pathetic. We are in an uptrend, slowly approaching what I believe back up to this weekly trend line that we drew. I have all these alerts going off. Sorry. The 4 hour. Now this is interesting, right? Because as you can see, price action is snaking along. This is a 20 moving day average. Is this an EMA? This is an EMA. Price action is snaking along this. So we've already retouched this moving average. It would be in my best interest if I did want to make a couple dollars to get off in a buy right now. Let's go to the 1 hour, see what's popping, and that's what I think I'll do. I think I'm just gonna put in 10 cents real quick, just for the heck of it. I kind of don't like doing nothing on a Friday, but let's just put some money in the game just for the heck of it. See what pops. So anyway, I put 50 cents in. So this looks like it's gonna go up. How much it's gonna go up, I'm not sure. Oh my god, these alerts. Yeah. Even on a 30-minute, this long candle, I'm assuming this is gonna go up. Yeah, let's see. Let's check it on here. Oh, I should have put my phone on vibrate. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it. Oh, good. We're already in profit right now. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the market it's looking a little bit fluid. I wouldn't stay in that long on a Friday though, because a lot of people is getting out, taking their money. Let me turn this off because this is getting on my nerves. A lot of people is getting their money and they're exiting the market. And one thing I know for sure is that yeah, GJ's not really doing anything. One thing I know for sure is that the market usually resets Thursday and Friday's move. Usually. When the pair is not like in a trend, like in a strong trend up or down, like when it's moving, it's kind of like consolidating in a direction, but it's not like this strong trend. So I did want to review something with you with regards to GJ. Like you guys know, GJ's review is similar to what we just saw with GU. But GJ is performing interestingly in the market right now for this reason. This past Tuesday and Thursday, I drew this trend line, if you guys could remember, or you can go back to the videos and watch. I drew this trend line. And yesterday, and I told you that this particular move from Tuesday into Wednesday was a 50% retracement. And I told you that like the unspoken golden rule is when you get a 50% retracement, that it will extend at least to the 2.7. So you can expect it to buy to the 2.7 after you identify the retracement. And what happened? It terminated at the 2.7 and it retraced again. Now, what's interesting is it retraced right back down to this area. I was in this earlier today. I got out because I knew that Fridays and GJ are just terrible. So I like bought up to here and then I got out. But what I do know is price action will continue to crawl along this trend line and springboard. It could possibly break it, but I so strongly feel as though GJ is looking to retest this weekly trend line up here around 1377 that I can see for Monday and Tuesday. GJ actually springing off of this, right, and going up. And at least hitting this 136 for next week. Because it's looking to take out this. It's looking to take out this. If you can see, we almost took it out. But then it went back down to get some gas. And it's coming back up. Don't worry. It's coming back up. Because that was its first attempt to reach, to come back up here and retest. So it's coming back up. It's just down here in the gutter getting some gas. Yeah, you know. Not only that, you see, I try to tell people GJ and GU don't always move together. GU is going up right now. GJ is chilling, hanging low, with their ears hanging low. Because I'm telling you, price action is going to crawl. GJ ain't going nowhere. I don't believe it. It's not going to go anywhere. Not till Monday. So anyway, that's really it. I just wanted to kind of just explain what I'm seeing in the market and what my predictions are basically for GJ for next week. And also just grab a couple pips in GU. See? Ooh, look at us. Ooh, 9, 10 pips. 10 pips. Listen, we doing good over here. Yeah. This was the open. This was the weekly. I'm sorry. This was the daily open. The weekly open was down here. The daily opens up here. The next point, I see GU going to. GU's going up. GU's coming back up here to retest. GU's kind of moving with GJ. Yeah, I'm not sure if this will come up here today. It could. I don't know if there's enough momentum on a Friday for all of that though. But that's where I see GU going next. And that is actually a weekly open of about how many Mondays ago? 1, 2, 3 weeks, from 3 weeks ago. And I know that because of my red tracer here and my indicators, I feel so good. Like this trading strategy is working for me. Hopefully whoever is following, it's working for you. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys maybe Sunday or Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.